Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. On to DIY number 1. For this one, I'm going to use one of this chocolate box which is heart shaped and it has a verbiage called Happy Valentine's Day, and I wanted to use this as a topiary. I'm taking hot glue and attaching both the lids, top and the bottom of the chocolate box. I have two color roses here. One is the beige color, another one is like a lavenderish pink or maybe pink I would say. And then I'm just alternating the roses, beige and pink, in an alternate fashion, and I'm sticking it all around the box. And I took like in the gaps, I'm sticking some of this dogwood flowers. I think it's dogwood flowers, and I completed that. And I took this cute flower pot from Dollar Tree, and I stuck some of the styrofoam and plastic bags all around it and some paper on top of it, and sticking some of the Spanish moss to just give like a flower pot with a fuller look there. I got this chopsticks from Chinese takeout dinner, so I'm going to use that as the stand for the topiary. So I'm just taking two of them like that, and I'm using a dab of a hot glue. I'm just divided the other two and sticking on either side just like that using hot glue. And now I'm painting all over with this brown paint, and so it looks like a natural wood. And that pink heart is from the pendant of one of the necklace. It broke, so I'm going to repurpose this here. And I took some of this tiny buds from another flower bunch, and then I just stuck it on top of it to just give like the buds are sprouting out from the heart to just give like a love grows kind of an effect there. I have this pink sheer ribbon and the green burlap ribbon. I'm trying to attach those two, making a bow and on top of each other, and I'm also attaching it with a tiny piece of a ribbon, and also going to give some tails with the same sheer ribbon and ducktailing it. And this is how my bow looks. And I'm going to attach one of this pink flower in the center, and in the center of this beige rose I'm sticking this chopsticks, and the other end would go into the flower pot. And I stuck the bow on the bottom of the topiary, and this is how it looks after it is completely decorated. How beautiful that heart is with all lavender flowers and beige flowers with this brown flower pot, and it's a tiny heart on the base of the flower pot, and that pink heart is sprouting with the two buds in there to just to give like love grows here. And I also stuck some of this pink flowers here and there, and that's my bow with the sheer ribbon and green burlap ribbon with the flower. And this is the whole topiary. I'm just loving this, and I made this with some of the recycled products, so I didn't throw the plastic bags, I didn't throw the thermocol from the packaging, and also the chocolate box and the chopsticks. Everything I repurposed and made this into a beautiful topiary, and I'm very much happy how this turned out. So you have to let me know what you think about this. This video will be part of It's Refurbished Love Open playlist, and this is hosted by Buffie over Buffie Designs and Lawn over Living Life with Lawn. I'll be leaving the links of their channels in my description box, as well as the playlist of all the participants. On to DIY number 2. For this I'm going to make a garland out of these beads, and this comes in like 3 colors of beads. One is like green, and one is like bluish green, other one is pink, and I chose all the pink beads. I would say like lavenderish pink. It's got lavender tone to it as well. And I created a tassel using cotton twine, and this is the garland done. And I'm also going to do a quick hack with this cup, and I stuck this golden rub-on stickers that spells love, and I also have this feather I just stuck on top of it. If you can see it, that's on the top of it. And on to DIY number 3, and I'm going to use this cardboard piece, and I'm going to draw hearts using one of my marker, and I'm just taking other side and turning the other side of the cardboard, and I'm drawing another heart, and I'm going to cut these hearts and also decorate these 2 hearts using some of the yarn that I have from Dollar Tree from long time. I don't know where I got this from. I think it's Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. And I'm just twining it all around it. So one is in pink and one is in multicolor. On to DIY number 4, and this one is actually one of the soap petal box, and it came in a heart shape, and I just cleaned all the stickers. I used like glue gun to remove any sticky gum, and it's like clear plastic at this point now. I took one of this pink sheer ribbon and I'm decorating it all around it. Basically, I'm taking a dab of hot glue and attaching according to the shape of the container. And that sheer ribbon is basically came along with that soap petal box. I'm actually reusing it to decorate this box again. So we are reusing this ribbon again. So I stuck the other side of the container with the ribbon, and this is how it looks after the ribbon is decorated. And I have some of this eucalyptus greenery that I got from Walmart from a long time, and I'm going to stuff all this inside. All it needs is a bow. I took like one of this black and white buffalo plaid ribbon, and I'm creating a bow with this just like that. And I'm also going to take a dab of a hot glue and stick on top of it. And I also decorated it with one more sheer ribbon on top of it, so it looks fuller and also adds glamour to the box. So what do you think? I'm just loving this. You have to let me know what do you think in the comment section. Now I'm going to show how I decorated on a tier tray, and this is one of the Valentine Christmas tree, I would say. And the box for the Christmas tree is also from one of the cardboard box, and I stuck some the popsicle sticks, and I'm going to leave the link how I made this. And I just attached one of the boa lavender color and some pink sheer ribbon and a few pink roses, and I attached ornament string light around the tree, and this is how it looks. So now let's go to the tier tray, and I decorated the tier tray with some of those heart pendant which is sprouting with some buds and also one of this tiny laser cut wooden heart on the other side. And I also have this cardboard that I twined the pink yarn around it, and also have like a lavender bird that I got during a Christmas sale of Michael's. Another side also I have this wooden cutout heart, and this is one of my mug that I stuck some of this golden letters rub-on stickers and some feather. And this is the garland with the tassel, and on top you see this heart topiary with the chocolate box with roses all around it which says Happy Valentine's Day. And also I have vase filler laid everywhere. And this is another heart with the multicolor yarn, and there's another heart, wooden heart, and this is the one that I made with the clear plastic heart-shaped container. And I just filled some of this eucalyptus greenery and some bow, and I decorated with one sheer ribbon on the border. And this is how it looks after it's all decorated on the tier tray. These are all the crafts that are made from the used products, and I'm very much happy how these turned out and how we gave a new life to all these used products. So you have to let me know which one is your favorite, and you want to give any suggestions towards my channel. I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching today, and see you again. Thank you.